Hey guys, it's the mystery palette game. What look am I going to come up with this bad boy here? Let's check it out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, I'm Michelle. Nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So today we are doing the mystery palette game, you guys. And how this works is that there's 16 channels involved in this collab, and you are partnered up with somebody. You tell them, hey, I have a palette. I have 12 pans in my palette. That other person will pick your pans, and they'll tell you, hey, you're going to use number 1 on your lid, number 7 on your underneath your brow, number 12 in your inner corner. So I was partnered up with Catherine from Katie's Corner of the World, and so she picked out my colors, you guys. So she picked number 5, and I'm going to use this palette. This palette is from Babe Beauty. It's called Island Vibes. Yes, I know what it looks like. And those are the colors of the palette. So how I did it, I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's how I went ahead and named them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This was a weird shape one, so it isn't like it can go across. So that is how I went ahead and picked my colors. So that is the palette there. Those are the numbers that I put on it. And as soon as we said we were going to go ahead and do this collab, I went ahead and I just picked the palette. I numbered it up, and so I couldn't cheat, you guys, because that's how I numbered it even before she gave me my number. So what she had picked, let me put this part down. It matches my background, you guys. So she picked number 5 in the inner corner, which is this one here. She picked number 9 in the outer, which is the blue one right there. So that is in my, this is in my inner corner. This is going to be in my outer corner. My lid is going to be number 12, which is going to be the pink. My underneath my brow is going to be this gold one, and on my waterline underneath my eye is going to be number 4 right over here. So not bad colors, you guys. I was really happy about that. I was like, woohoo! Hopefully I picked better colors for her, as good as colors for her as she picked for me, but we will find out later. So remember, you guys, to go ahead and go to the other girls' channels. I will have them all linked down below. There is, like I said, about 16 of us. There's like Latimer. There is Pouts, and Perfumes, more. There's Blatcher that's in here. There's a whole bunch of us, you guys. And for me to go ahead and sit there and name every one of us, there's Tracy and Chloe. There is Monique's Unique Critique. There is a whole bunch of us, you guys. So make sure you guys go down to the my little description box. Also, there's going to be a playlist that Tracy and Chloe's unboxing. She's going to have a playlist of all our videos. So make sure you go ahead and go to her channel. I will link that up for you guys down in the description box. So make sure you guys are going there. Alright, let's get to this look, you guys. I'm going to just do one eye on camera, and then I'll finish the look off camera, so this won't be about 7 hours long. So let me grab all my stuff, and let's get started. Alright, you guys, let's get started. I'm going to do my inner, my lid itself. So I'm going to bring you up a little bit closer. Scary, you guys are going to see all my grays. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that pink, which that is the inner, that's my lid. And I'm going to use that also in my crease. I'm going to open up my little mirror here so I could see also. But then you guys can't see. Let's see. And I go higher up, you guys, just because I have a hooded eye. And I'm going to put this all in my crease and in my lid. And so I just wanted to get this color. Now, I've not really even used this palette. I think I used a color from it, the green, one time before, but alright. Alright, that's how she is looking. I'm looking in my mirror there, which I had another hand mirror, but, you know, everything gets all messy. Alright. Alright, there we go. We got the pink down. Alright, so my outer corner is going to be the blue. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush. So, and it is going to be number 9, which is this fluffy, this nice little bright blue color right here. Alright, so I'm going to just put it on here. And so that is my outer half. So now this one is a shimmer, so alright. Well, this will be a good combination if I was doing my 70s look, my 80s look. Alright. We did a lid. My inner corner is going to be that blue right there. Oh gosh. Let's do. Alright, so I'm going to use a smaller brush for that inner one. Hold on. Yep. So this is the inner corner one. Alright. So I think I'm just going to put that over here and just keep it. Over there. I have to brighten these up. And I will brighten it up in a minute, you guys. So, alright. But not bad so far. Alright, so my waterline is going to be this color here. So let me get a nice flat brush. Which is going to be this one right here. And so I'm going to put this let me wet this. Let me go grab something real fast, you guys. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I decided to do the other eye really fast, so this way it looks a little bit better. So I just have some setting spray down on my desk so I could get into that under eye one. So I could do it a little bit brighter. Let me get the other eye. So this is what it's looking like so far, you guys. Not bad colors. Alright. So I do have to take that brow color, which is number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is that gold. Whoop, which is that gold right there. And I have to put that underneath my brow. I believe I got this through Babe Beauty when I did a mystery box with them, because they have, if I could find that video, I will link it up on the top, you guys. So okay, so let me go ahead and see about putting just a black Jeffree Star liner. Alright, so this is what I'm looking like right now. Let me see if I could get you just a little bit closer to see all the wonderful colors. A lot of colors. So let me go ahead and see if I should have a liquid liner somewhere over here, you guys. I'm hoping. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I really enjoyed finding these palettes. I can't wait to see what the other girls' looks come up with. Like I said, this was a little bit bigger than the first palette game, and I had so much fun with the first one that I said, you know what, I have to get a bigger group of girls together and let's see how much fun we can make this. Some of these looks are going to be quite hilarious. I lucked out this time, you guys. My last one, I think my colors were, oh my gosh. So, but it's a fun palette game, you guys. And I believe my video might be one of the last ones to go up because I've been having problems with my internet. Alright. So, ooh, my eyes are not even, you guys. I know. Alright. Let me go ahead and put some more of, I'm going to make sure I pick up the right color. Yep. All I'm doing is just kind of like blending that into that darker color. Okay. Alright. I will zoom you guys in and again in a second. Let me put some mascara on. Is this mascara? Is this mascara? Yes, this is mascara. Oh, look at that. We all know we do it. Thank you. But this was really, really fun, you guys, to go ahead and do. It's exciting to see what kind of colors you're going to come up with. What are they going to go ahead and pick for you? Like I said, if you do it in the right way, and you just say, okay, I'm going to use this palette for the next one, and number it, then this way you kind of like set in your mind to kind of like figure out how to make those colors work as much as you can. So all the young ladies that are in this new collab, you guys, they're just amazing. You have to make sure you guys are going over there and checking out their channels, because everybody did a lot of work in here, a lot of connections, you guys, a lot of new channels that I had not even been connected with. I'm now connected, so you guys have to go ahead and check out that playlist. Make sure you're visiting all the young ladies. I think some of the young ladies are going to have giveaways, so make sure you go to all of the channels and you check them out. Make sure you subscribe to their channel, show them some love. Subscribe to my channel, you guys. Share me out, give me thumbs up, and make sure you're giving them a thumbs up when you go over to their channel. It really does help us all out, you guys. And I love doing these collabs. And let me go ahead and zoom you in a little bit more. So that is what it's looking at. I know my liquid eyeliner is quite not the right way, but you guys go ahead and woo, very messed up liner, you guys. But from far away, I could pull it off, you guys. So this is the look that I came up with. Thank you so much for choosing my pans. I can't even remember the pans that I went ahead and picked out for her. So hopefully I didn't do a bad job for you, because for me, you picked out really good colors. They were not bad. Very vibrant, very woohoo. It's the end of the summer, almost getting to the end of the summer, you guys. So what a way to go. So, but like I said, that was the look that I came up with. I do love this palette. I do like the colors. They're very pretty. The green is just amazing, and the gold looks, I mean, it's pretty good. So again, like I said, I got this from Bay Beauty. It was a mystery box that I had gotten from them, which I'm thinking about getting another one from them. So I will link up their that video that I did for the mystery box right over here, so make sure you guys are going ahead and check that out. Make sure you guys are going to visit all the young ladies. And so I talked too much, you guys. So this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys loved it. It was fun to make. I've never really used these colors. And look, this one came out more purple. This one came out more blue. How did I go ahead and do that? See, purple, purple, blue. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that. I know the combination of the two colors, though. See? Purple, blue. How did I do that? I don't know. Crazy look, you guys. So now I got purple on one side and blue on the other, but they're both blue. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. Make sure you guys are checking out the other channels. And I hope you guys stay safe out there. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.